evening, Yasana family, and welcome to another episode of your favorite Friday evening habit. It's Wellness Weekend Talk, and this is Nina Hordon, your cutie pharmacist from Davao City.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm James Larasa all the way here from Makati office. Ayan, kamusta ang isang Nino Cordon?
Sinabi talagang cutie, no? Sige, wala lang. Lagyan natin ng konting adjective yung pangalan. Anyway, so eto na James, no? We are now down to the last nutrition pack discussion, no? And I'm excited, no? What's inside this nutrition pack. But before that, no, papalapit na po tayo sa ating months kasi it's already August and next month it's tan-tan-tan.
Ember, no? Ayan.
Oh,
Parami na naman ang celebration, no? Especially sa Philippines. Ang dami nating celebration. And kadugtong ng celebration ang kainan at inuman.
inuman. Ayun.
Ayan. Ng
Hindi
mga
naman.
Pilipino, ang isa sa mga pinakamaraming celebration na ginagano. So parang
Yes.
halos araw-araw every week may celebration. Kasi tipin mo, pag na-hire ka sa trabaho, celebrate, kain, inom, di ba? If may task kang matapos, deserve mo mag-celebrate. So, inom.
Ayun.
Fiesta, kabi-kabila ang fiesta, no, sa mga bara-barangay. And birthdays, and especially malapit na mag-Christmas, right?
Yes,
So,
that's
kakain na naman
right.
tayo ng marami. And iinom na naman tayo. Ayan.
But when it comes to eating, no, and drinking, we need to do it in moderation. Bakit kaya?
Yes.
No? Kasi of course,
Tama.
although we are not saying na it's bad to eat lechon, yung mga fatty food, uminom ng alak, hindi naman natin sinasabi na bawal yun or masama yun. But we should take everything in moderation. Kasi nga, we want also na next year, after na mga celebration, healthy pa rin tayo, most especially our liver is still functioning well, no? That's why our topic for today, James, is all about the benefits of detox, right? Kung ano ba
Yes,
yung totoo at
ayan.
hindi. Kasi ang daming lumalabas na mga news or even mga articles online sa internet na parang misleading, no? And we want to make sure that what we are believing here in Yusana are really the facts and not
Ayan.
those.
Actually, hindi niya, no, lagi ko nakikita sa Facebook no, pag pinagpawisan ka daw, no, that's one of the, ano daw,
Oo.
detoxification. So, malalaman natin mamaya, di ba, kung totoo ba na pag pinawisan ka is, that's detoxification na ba? No? So,
Mhm.
ayan,
That's
so,
true.
discuss natin na mamaya, yan guys. So,
Ayun.
kinig
So,
lang.
umpisahan na natin, James. So,
Yes.
let's begin this topic, all right? Ayan, as you can see here on the screen, syempre, making sense of detox myth, no? Because we want to prove na ano ba yung totoo, hindi. No? Mahirap naman kasi paniwalaan kung ano yung parang hindi naman totoo, no? Yung paniwalang-paniwala tayo sa mga sinasabi ng internet. Naku, mahirap po yun. And we know that this detox na word, no, nauso po ito lately. And whether it's like, maybe we think of it as like drinking this kind of juice or nagtitake tayo ng special diet. So it's like linking it to detoxing. No? And we believe that detoxing is more than that. No? It's because some people would think, detoxing, idea yan siya na parang yung human body daw natin is like being exposed to environmental toxins at kailangan mo siyang i-remove. No? So let's think of in a different way kung ano ba talaga yung detox. All right? So the first question to begin here is, are there really toxins in my body? Yun ba yung totoo na, may toxins ba talaga sa katawan? Okay, so if you're hoping na to detox your body, meron ba talaga in the first place? So in short, yes. But the long answer, it's kinda complex, no? Kasi yung term na detox has traditionally been used in medical context, no? Sa mga medical professionals, alam natin to, na it's like the process of removing alcohol, drugs, or poison from a patient. This might mean also that it's like pumping that kind of toxin from the patient's stomach. Tapos magbibigay pa tayo ng antidote. Kasi nga, na-intoxicate yung patient na yun. So that's for the medical context. But however, we have this health context. No? So yung detoxification natin dito is applied to any toxins in the body, not just on those the medical context. But this might include alcohol, pero hindi siya life-threatening amount, yung moderate amount lang. Other toxins that are present in most people's bodies could be waste matter, mga digestive byproducts, like yung kailangan natin ibawas everyday, kasama po yun, chemicals, mga pollutants, and even including pesticides. So these toxins come from the air, sa mga cleaning products natin sa bahay, smoking, and even your food. So although these toxins are likely present sa katawan, there's no cause for alarm. No? Kasi bakit? Kasi ang katawan po natin, meron siyang mechanism and organs for protecting us against those toxins. No? Huwag po tayong mag-alala, right? Ayan. So as mentioned above, you're not completely defenseless. Okay? There's nothing to worry about it. Because yun nga, meron tayong mechanism. We're well equipped to detox our body. So one of the most obvious ways our body removes toxins is by excreting the waste in the form of feces or urine. So ito yung natural process natin para mag-remove ng mga unnecessary harmful substances from the body. So think about the last time na nagkaroon ka ng LBM or loose bowel movement, sumakit yung tiyan mo. Diba? Talagang frequent yung pagpunta mo sa CR. Kasi nga, yun yung mechanism ng body para maglabas or mag-flush out ng any dirt or toxin. Kaya pag nagkakaroon po kayo ng LBM, huwag niyo pong pigilan. Kaya, especially pag nasa bahay lang kayo. Some people, umiinom pa sila ng anti-diarrheal medications. But it would be better if hindi na po. Kung hindi naman siya ganun ka-hassle for you. Better na ilabas po siya compared sa pigilan. Okay? Kasi toxic yun. Alright? And next, how does the body remove these toxins? So as far as detox processes go, familiar naman po siguro lahat sa pag-ihi at pag-poops, ayan, sa pagbabawas natin. But then, hindi tayo familiar dun sa body's internal detox system. So yung kidneys natin and intestines, they both help filter and remove toxins sa mga kinakain or sa iniinom natin. But there's one organ that does most of the work. It's the liver. Okay? So siya yung bida dito when it comes to detox. So whether it's removing the bacteria from your blood, or it could be converting ammonia into urea or helping process the drugs or the supplements that we are taking in, ang pinaka naapektuhan at pinaka-busy na organ dito is yung liver. Because liver is basically the body's filter. So lahat po ng substances dumadaan dito and it removes toxins. Kaya kahit anong inom natin ng mga medications, no, or yung mga pagkain iniinom natin, hindi po tayo madaling matoxic. No? So, buti nga may liver, no? So, for example, umiinom tayo ng, sabihin natin, ayoko uminom ng gamot pag may sakit ako kasi toxic daw, may side effect. Don't worry, uminom pa rin po kayo ng gamot as long as sinusunod niyo po yung labeling instruction natin na 3 times a day, every 4 hours, safe po kayo doon, okay? Kaya important din na if you are taking medications, aside sa mga OTC drugs natin or even may mga prescription meds kayo, we need also to know what is the proper way of drinking our medication or taking our medication. And us pharmacists, we can help you with that. No? So get to know your pharmacist sa mga butika or sa hospital para po matulungan kayo on how to take them. Alright? But going back here, our detox processes all happen naturally. So you don't have any control over them. So at this point, nagwa-wonder ka, ano ba talaga yung mga elements na pwedeng maka-influence doon sa detoxing, right? So, next is, does the body ever need help detoxing? So, actually here, no, tayo mga tao kasi we love fixing. We love quick fix, no? Na pag, uy, teka, kailangan ko ng mag-detox kasi parang ang dami ko nang kinain doon. No, this doesn't mean that you cannot support your body's detox processes para ma-maintain yung efficiency and effectiveness niya. But actually, we can also help our liver, no? Hindi yung parang wala na din tayong gagawin. Total yung body ko, kaya niya naman palang mag-detox on itself. But, of course, we need also to observe proper diet, we need to exercise, and to choose healthier options, no? When it comes to lifestyle, yung mga habits natin, para naman matulungan si liver. Because liver health is impacted by different factors. Okay, aside dun sa alcohol consumption, but also with the food that we eat. So we need to be wise about it. And drinking a little bit of alcohol won't damage your liver. Okay, wag po kayong mag-alala dyan. But as soon as that drinking becomes excessive, like, nako, every day is drinking day. So your liver, dito na siya magwe-wear out. Start na mag-wear out. And it is, after all, di ba sabi natin, it's working hard for us not to be intoxicated. But pag parati pong umiinom ng alak, nagkakaroon ng scar yung liver, nagsiswell siya, and that could lead to complications down the road. No? So may mga liver na tayo, liver damage na tayo, liver cirrhosis, some of those irreversible na. And don't you know that our liver has the capacity to regenerate itself? Pero it doesn't mean na kailangan natin siya abusuhin, na okay lang siyang abusuhin. Okay? Ayan. So does the body ever need help by detoxing? Yes, we can by giving or eating food that are rich in antioxidants, especially broccoli, ayan, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. They support liver health. So we also have this, some studies have linked to coffee consumption. So taas kamay mahilig sa kape. Ako dalawa. Ayan, so mahilig din po ako sa kape. And you know what? Drinking coffee is like linking to liver longevity and health. No? So mas healthy yung liver namin. But as long as you're not drinking 3-in-1 coffee, yung mga matataas ang sugar, yan, okay lang brewed, yung mga espresso, ayan. So you can also avoid yung mga vices that can also harm your liver, like kumakain ka ng sobrang sugar, excessive na mga fatty food, and yun po, smoking as well. So nakakasama po siya sa liver. So let's now begin, eto na, no? Dispelling detox myth. So kailangan natin mag-unlearn ng mga bagay na hindi naman pala totoo. No? At kailangan mag-learn ng mga totoong bagay. It's fact versus fiction. So let's know first, number 1 about this. You can sweat out toxin. Fact or fiction? Okay, so one of the more popular rumors about exercise is that you can actually sweat out toxins. Yun yung sabi nila. Kaya nga picture ng picture, wow, nag-sweat out ako ng toxin, ganyan. It's an appealing idea na pag nag-workout ka sa treadmill, tumatakbo ka, yes, you can be in good shape, but you cannot actually purge your body's harmful substances. Okay? Kasi sweating is almost entirely water. Water po ang nilalabas natin dyan. And there's a little bit of salt in there. And sweating is just a way of cooling itself, no, the body, not ridding itself of toxins. But actually, ang maganda sa pag-exercise, tinutulungan niya ma-promote ng liver, no, yung health ng liver. But it's not directly purging out the toxins. So, okay? Tanggalin na natin yung idea na yun. Next, detoxing can help you lose weight. So we have these many detox products and diets that are marketed as weight management solutions. So there are also mga juice cleanses, no, yung mga other detox regimens na pwede daw makapagbawas tayo ng timbang, no, at mabawasan yung mga fats natin. But actually, hindi siya ganun ka-effective. Yes, pwede kang makapagbawas ng few pounds, but there are also studies that show na it's rarely long-term solution for a healthy weight. No? So, hindi siya ganun ka-effective. Next, your body needs help detoxing. Is it fact or fiction? So, as mentioned above, yung katawan po natin has already several lines of defense against toxins. Kaya nga we have this liver. And several mechanisms for removing them from your body as well. We have the feces, we have the urine, di ba? So, yun yung mga ways na natatanggal yung toxins. So, most detox products claim to do one of the two things. It helps your body's natural detox process work more efficiently or remove toxins in a way na yung katawan natin hindi na kailangan gawin. So most of the time, yung katawan natin doesn't actually need any help, no? Pero eto, as long as you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle, okay, wala ka, hindi ka naninigarilyo, hindi ka masyado umiinom ng alak, tapos nag-exercise ka, you're also eating a healthy, balanced diet, so your natural detox system would be able to handle themselves. You don't have to worry about it. But you have a role to do. Okay? And yes, lastly, you can remove toxins topically. So kasi nga, iniisip natin yung skin, meron siyang pores. No? And people would think na, uy, may mga products tayo daw na pwedeng makapag-detox. No? Kasi may pores daw yung sa paa, sa mukha, or any patch of the skin. But in reality, our skin is designed to keep the toxins out. It means that it is there to protect us and not to remove the toxins. And you can actually clean your pores by removing the dirt, no, yung pag-build up ng oil. Pero unfortunately, hindi yung toxins yung lumalabas dito. Okay? And that's why we need to have this moderation and management, no, in keeping toxins out of our body. All right? So everything should be taken in moderation and should be, taken seriously when it comes to lifestyle management. We need to eat a balanced diet. Okay? So number one pa rin talaga yung mga kinakain natin. Ano nga yung mga pagkain na healthy sa liver? It's the broccoli, cauliflower, di ba? Some of those food, no? Ito yung talaga nakakatulong sa liver. And drink in moderation. I know marami tayong celebration coming up sa pagdating ng Burr months, especially December. But, no, ito din to take note sa mga mahilig kumain ng mga tatabang pagkain. Ayan, limit-limit lang din, no? So, kailangan din natin hinay-hinay, okay? And also try to quit smoking if talagang you're really into smoking, no? Pero let's think of long-term health. And of course, we need to exercise a few times a week. Ayan, kahit 30 minutes a day. Ayan. So no matter where you are right now in your health journey, hindi pa talaga huli ang lahat or hindi pa naman too early, no? Para hayaan na lang natin yung detox process natin on its own, no? Kasi may mga paraan talaga para matulungan yung katawan natin. And that's why in USANA, we have our detox pack. And to discuss this one and the rest of the products, let me call James. So to discuss this.
Ayan. So, thank you, Ninya. No, alam mo, sobrang perfect timing no na-create ito ni Yusana, yung ating detox pack. Kasi, malapit na yung Pasko, no? Malapit na mag-Burr months na naman. Kabilangan na naman yung ating mga celebration, no? That's why, we create itong detox pack na, no? So, the detox pack is create to support yung ating effective toxin elimination sa ating katawan. Also, by enhancing yung ating overall wellness and vitality. And hindi lang sa toxin elimination maganda si detox pack, no? Pwede rin siyang gamitin or ideal rin siyang gamitin for individual na nagre-reduce or nagme-maintain ng ating healthy weight. Ayan. So there are four na products under the detox pack. Number one is the DTX T-Mix, the probiotics, Hepasil DTX, and lastly yung ating digestive enzyme. Yan. Discuss natin sila one by one, no? Kung bakit ba sila sinama dun sa ating detox pack, no? Number one is yung ating DTX T-Mix, no? Ayan. So, the good thing with this T-Mix, no? Convenient siya, no? On the go siya because hindi na siya yung ating regular na tea, no? Wala na siya dun sa tea bag, no? Hindi na tayong maglulublob ng tea bag or magdidecoction doon sa ating mainit na tubig or to create the tea, no? The good thing with this, convenient siya, on the go siya kasi naka-powder in stick pack na siya, no? So, lagay lang tayo ng water sa mug or sa cup and lagay na natin yung ating DTX pack. Ayan. And the DTX pack is a herbal digestive support. No? It relieve yung ating occasional feeling na feeling bloating, no? Or yung bloated or yung kinakabag, kumbaga. No? Ayan. It maintain yung ating healthy gut and support yung regularity. Also, it has a calm feelings, no? For yung sa ating mga occasionally digestive discomfort, especially pag kumain tayo ng marami sa gabi. No, ayan. And also, isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa ating DTX T-Mix is wala siyang caffeine or stimulant. So, pwede natin siyang i-take kahit anong oras or kahit gabi pa yan, makakatulog tayo. Kasi nga, wala siyang caffeine or stimulant. Ayan. And these are the key ingredients no, na meron si DTX T-Mix. Number one is the licorice root and the peppermint extract. Ang ginagawa na itong licorice root and peppermint extract is to help yung ating occasional digestive discomfort and pag-relieve ng gas no, para hindi tayo feeling bloated or kinakaban. Same with the peppermint extract. No? It also have a cinnamon extract. No? It has high concentration ng cinnamon extract para ma-neutralize yung ating mga free radicals, no? Alam naman natin ang free radicals, it may affect yung ating mga organs, especially yung ating skin, no? Also, meron din siyang ginger root, no? To help yung ating digestive process. And lastly, meron siyang dandelion root, no? To support yung ating health ng liver. And it provide extra protection or covering dun sa ating liver, no? Para maging maproteksyonan yung health ng ating liver. Ayan. Next product is one of my favorite also, yung ating Usana Probiotics, no? To support a healthy digestion and sound immune function, no? The good thing with our Usana Probiotics, it has Lactobacillus rhamnosus and uh, Bifidobacterium or yung BB12 na tinatawag natin. Now, generally, some product na merong probiotics, usually 1 million colony forming units lang ang meron sila. But in Usana Probiotics, it has 12 billion no, CFU or colony forming of active bacteria. No? Isipin nyo, compare nyo 1 billion to 12 billion na probiotics ng Usana. Di ba? So, talagang makaka-assure tayo no, na or makaka-guarantee tayo, no? Because Usana created 12 billion CFU, active bacteria. Ayan. It also support nga yung ating healthy digestion, no? And ito, marami kasing narilito dito when it comes dun sa prebiotic and probiotic, no? Pag sinabi kasi nating prebiotic, sila yung mga food no, na kinakain natin or ini-ingest natin to help yung ating mga good bacteria sa katawan, yung mga ating lactobacillus. And when we see probiotics, no, sila naman yung mga good bacteria na ini-ingest natin or yung mismong good bacteria na ini-ingest natin, no, to help or to support yung ating digestion, no? Ayan. And for our next product, no, yung ating Hepacil BTX, but before I discuss that, no, panoorin muna natin yung video na to. Ayan. And for our next product is yung ating Hepacil BTX, no? Sabi ni Ninya kanina, no? Na-discuss niya yung mga way ng detoxification. With our Hepacil BTX, no? It supports yung ating body's natural detoxification process, no? Kasi meron siyang milk thistle extract and additional herbs, no? It also provide extra protection sa ating liver also. Ayan. And next our last product for the digestion or ating pack is the digestive enzyme. Ayan. It supports efficient digestion and calm, comfortable belly. It has natural enzyme blend and artichoke extract. Ayan. Digestive enzyme has or compose a different enzyme no to help yung ating digestion process, no? It is a wide range supplemental enzyme to break down or to support yung breakdown ng carbohydrates, fat, protein, lactose, and cellulose dun sa mga from the plants. No? It also encourage more complete digestion to support the absorption ng ating mga macronutrients. No? So ano ba yung mga macronutrients? No? Sila yung mga carbohydrates, fats, protein, yon sila. It helps yung pag-breakdown dun sa ating digestive system. And it also helps to relieve the occasional stomach upset, no? Especially pag kumain tayo ng marami sa gabi, 'di ba? Usually nakakaramdam tayo ng stomach upset, no? So these are the component, no, ng ating digestive enzyme. Those are enzyme po mismo, natural enzyme. The alpha amylase, the protease, lipase, lactase, papain, cellulase, and artichoke is one of the organic no, or extract na makikita natin sa ating digestive enzyme. So discuss natin ano ba yung use or ano bang function ng mga enzyme na contain in digestive enzyme, no? Number one dyan is alpha amylase and lactase, no? And also the cellulose, it assists yung pag-breakdown ng ating carbohydrates and fiber, no? One of the macronutrients na lagi natin kinakain, no? And the bromelain and protease and papain naman, it support the digestion ng protein, no? Yung mga meat, yung mga karne na kinakain natin. Yan, no? Sila yung tumutulong sa digestion ng those protein. Lipase naman to support yung digestion ng ating mga fats na kinakain, no? Ayan. And the USANA supplement or this digestive enzyme has a unique because meron nga siyang artichoke extract which may help to relieve yung ating occasional stomach upset. And those artichoke extract has meron siyang proven study na no nakakapag-relieve siya ng occasional stomach upset. Ayan. And for the last slide, no, sabi ko nga kanina, if yung ating digestive enzyme is support yung ating pag-breakdown ng dietary carbohydrates, no? And it contain aloe vera which may help to relieve occasional irregularity and bowel inflammation. Ayan. Usually nararamdaman natin yan pag nasosobrahan tayo sa pagkain, nasosobrahan tayo sa fats na kinakain, and hindi na kayang tunawin ng ating digestive system, no? Kaya nakakaramdam tayo ng ganong irregularity, no? Ayan. So, digestive enzyme, it helps, no, for our overall digestive function. Ayan. And with that, no, thank you very much for listening and watching our Wellness Weekend Talk, no? And hopefully, no, in the next segment, marami pa tayong ma-discuss na product, no, to help you guys. Ayan.
Ayun. So, thank you, James, for sharing with us the different products under Detox Cac. Ayan. So, actually, what I really like about this, na talagang may comment. Yung comment ko dito, ang gusto ko ay yung USANA Probiotic. Ayun.
Yes, ako actually, halos everyday ko rin siya tinitake, no? Kasi sobrang mararamdaman mo yung effect sa'yo. Especially pag, ako kasi mahilig akong kumain eh. Parang maya-maya kumakain ako eh.
Foodie or talaga.
Mahilig akong kumain, kaya kailangan natin yun.
Yes, that's right. So what's good about our USANA Probiotic, it's very convenient not to bring anywhere. At the same time, 12 billion colony forming units of good
Yes, oo,
bacteria.
ang dami, no?
No?
Isipin mo
Ang
yun.
dami nun.
Di ba, compare mo na lang yung 1 billion sa 12 billion.
Oo, that's most of the
Di ba?
probiotics right now, wala silang ganun karaming active bacteria. Or
Yes,
hindi pa
oo,
nga
correct.
nakalagay sa label nila. So parang questionable din na parang, oh, totoo ba? Meron talagang ano dyan. So yun yung maganda doon. And ano siya, matamis, no? Kahit you can take it without mixing it with your beverages or food. No? Masarap.
Yes, actually,
Oo.
very appealing yung lasa niya kasi nga medyo matamis siya
Mm.
kahit.
Oo, tapos
Ayan.
stable din siya. Like, even if you don't have to refrigerate it, no? Basta as long as hindi siya ma-expose sa init or humid temperature environment, okay pa rin siya. Stable
Yes.
pa
And
rin.
hindi siya mabubuksan kaagad.
Yun. Kasi
Yun.
minsan yung mga bata, no? Parang akala nila ano lang, make.
Oo.
Ano ba yung make powder? Akala nila snack
Mm.
lang. Yun. But
Yes.
of course, all those products, the digestive enzyme, Hepasil, we also have the detox tea mix. They're all good.
Actually, one of my favorite rin yan niya yung detox T-mix. Lagi ko siyang dala-dala kasi mahilig ako sa tsaa.
Wow, ako pa sa kape.
Oo.
Sorry na.
Ang good din dyan kasi on the go na siya, di ba? Pwede mo na
Oo,
siyang
madali.
tiplahin anywhere.
Oo, that's true. And wala siyang caffeine, wala siyang stimulant.
Yes. Oo.
Even
Kahit
at
before
night.
ka matulog, inumin mo, no problem. Kasi makakatulog ka. Kasi wala siyang caffeine and other stimulant products.
Mhm. And eto din, no, ang maganda din doon is yung digestive enzyme. Kasi especially, we will be having a lot of occasions and celebrations sa mga coming months. And that's why before po kayo kumain ng sobrang dami, mag-take po kayo ng digestive enzyme para sure talaga na hindi po kayo na parang feeling hindi natunawan, no? So kailangan mag-take din po tayo ng digestive enzyme. Yeah.
Yes. Ayan.
Especially sa mga iinom din at maglalasing.
Yes, kasi weekend na naman.
Ayan, Hepasil DTX for you guys, especially for men, no? Talagang gusto
Yes.
nyo eh.
Oo. Alagaan natin ang liver. Mahalaga ang liver.
Your liver lover, boy.
Yes. At
Always
nag-iisa lang ang
remember
liver,
to
guys. Kaya
drink.
dapat natin siyang alagaan.
Yes,
Iisa
that's
lang.
right. So please do add this detox pack to your auto orders and kindly share this to anyone who would surely benefit from taking our USANA supplements and nutritionals. no? Kasi nakapack na po yan para madali na siyang i-share sa inyong mga
Yes,
clients and customers. Alright?
correct. And pwede na lang pang-enroll yan, di ba?
That's right.
Yes,
Ating
pwede na lang
pang-enroll.
pang-enroll yan.
Ayun. So that
Ayan.
would be about for our Wellness Weekend Talk. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa pakikinig and please do share this video if you find this helpful. No? Kindly tag, share this video to your family and friends para sila din po, no? At maka-receive sila ng mga good things about wellness talk and topics natin. So hopefully next week, James, we're gonna have another topic on Wellness Weekend Talk. And please keep posted lang po tayo sa mga posters natin. Ayan.
Yes, correct. Ayan. So I think that's it, Ninya, no?
Mhm.
So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching, guys. And next week, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa another episode ng Wellness Weekend Talk. Yan. So I'm James Lariosa all the way here from Makati office.
And this is Nina Cordon, your pharmacist from Davao. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Bye, guys. Thank you.